Most people get stuck when their vanilla gift card doesn't work online, and they assume the card is broken. But here's the truth no one tells you. The problem is usually the missing or incorrect zip code, not the balance or the card itself. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to add a zip code to your vanilla gift card in 2026, why it matters, and how to make sure it works every time you use it online. Let's start with the basics. A vanilla gift card is a prepaid Visa or MasterCard, but unlike a bank card, it doesn't come with a billing address automatically linked to it. That means when you try to use it online, stores like Amazon or Walmart may reject it unless a zip code is attached. Now here's where most people fail. They try to use the card immediately after buying it without registering it first. Someone like Alex might enter the card details at checkout, get a decline, and assume the card is useless. But the real issue is that the billing zip code has never been set. So here's the correct method step by step. First, go to the official Vanilla gift card website. Look for the card activation or registration section. Enter your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code. This is where you officially link your card to a billing profile. Next, you will be asked to enter a billing address. This is where the zip code comes in. You can use your actual home zip code or the zip code associated with your payment situation. Once you submit this, the system stores it as your card's billing identity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many people think they can change zip codes anytime, but frequent changes can trigger declines or fraud checks. So it's best to set it correctly the first time. In a minute, I'll show you a trick to make sure your zip code actually works before you try a real purchase. After registration, always test your card with a small purchase. For example, try a low-cost digital item. If the zip code is correctly linked, the transaction should go through without issues. If it fails, double-check for typos or mismatched billing information. But here's the problem most users don't realize. Some websites automatically compare zip codes with internal fraud systems. Even a correct zip code can fail if the merchant blocks prepaid cards or requires additional verification. So if one site declines your card, don't assume the zip code is wrong. Try a different merchant to confirm. So, here's the bottom line. Adding a zip code to a vanilla gift card is not a physical action. It's a simple online registration step that links your card to a billing identity. Once it's set correctly, most online purchases work smoothly. If this helped you fix your card, like the video, drop a comment with your experience. And subscribe for more simple fixes that help you actually use your money without frustration.